Hello, artists. I want to talk to you today about something happening in the studio 2 days ago. Usually artists only show you their good paintings. Like case in point, there's a good painting. I like that of Armenia. But I came into the studio on Wednesday and I sucked. I absolutely sucked so bad. I ruined 2 paintings, and I'm going to show you the bad paintings. Everyone always shows you the good stuff, but I'm going to show you the bad stuff. This was my first attempt, and I was using some weird colors, and that's all I can say about it. I can still finish it and do some work on it, make it probably okay. But this is an absolute disaster. And then I decided one disaster wasn't enough. I thought, I'll redeem myself. I'll do a better painting. And I did this one. And I don't say this one's good either. It's not good either. It's bad. I don't like it at all. So anyways, I sucked so bad on Wednesday, I couldn't even come to the studio on Thursday, because I traumatized myself. I had PTSD. I finally got back here today. So I'm start working on some different stuff. Hopefully I won't suck as bad today. So I just wanted to share that with you, that, everybody has good days, bad days, off days. I had a horrible day on Wednesday. Hopefully today goes better.